Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to edit shorts in CapCut step by step. So if you want to make fast-paced YouTube shorts, TikToks, or Instagram reels with smooth effects, captions, and viral style edits, yeah, this guide will help you do it really easily. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Then import the clips you want to use for your short video. Now make sure your project is set to vertical format. YouTube shorts work best in a 9:16 aspect ratio. Next, trim out boring parts and keep only the most interesting moments. So shorter clips and faster pacing usually perform much better for shorts. Screens. Once your edit is finished, export the video in 1080p and choose 60 FPS if your footage supports it. That usually gives the cleanest and smoothest results, and that's basically how to edit shorts in CapCut from start to finish. After a little practice, you'll be able to create much faster, cleaner, and more professional short-form videos.